Hey, I'm Travis, and I'd love to be your weight loss guide. In today's reading, boy, we brought out a lot that we could relate to weight loss and wellness. God uses Cyrus, a pagan king, to rebuild his temple. That means he can use anyone or anything to restore what's been taken from you. Don't think he can't redeem your story. Don't think that you can't have a new beginning. Doesn't matter how many times you've fallen. If you have a willing and wanting heart, God will make a way for you to get that feeling again, that unction again, and get up. When you've got that feeling, you've got to do something with it. The minute the mind engages, you will procrastinate. So when you feel like this is the time, that switch comes on, you got to go. You can't think, is this the right time? What vacations do I have coming up? What's going on in my family life? No, you're just eating. You're just changing what you eat. This is just a pivot. It's only a pivot. It's not this huge, massive change. You're just changing out your breads, changing out your milk, changing out what flour you use, changing out what vitamins you use. That's all. It's just a pivot. And you get this amazing result. But if you let the mind engage, every time God gives you the feeling that it's go time, you will procrastinate. You've got to understand that the carnal mind is the enemy of God. The carnal mind is what keeps you from, he that's in you is greater than he that's in the world. So don't think, no matter what's happened, that he can't redeem your body, your health, your hope, your life, your family. He knows your name, just like the name in Ezra. You are not just a number on a scale. You are known. You are called and chosen. You know, to this world, you're probably only known by a social security number, but God's got the hairs on your head numbered. God knows every tear you've ever shed, every frustration. You're called, you're chosen. You are a king, you are a priest, made holy by the blood of the Lamb and the word of your testimony. Don't tell me you can't overcome a little food addiction. Look, just like Jesus walked into suffering for you, he's also walking with you now. Peter fell, maybe you've fallen, but you're not finished any more than Peter was. He told Peter, because Peter knew who he was, upon this rock I'll build my church, and the gates of hell shall not prevail against it. Nothing can overcome you or overtake you when you walk in step with the Holy Spirit. So you're not finished. Don't tell me that. No more tapping out. Peter's story didn't end at his denial, and neither does yours. Yours don't end where you slip and fail, but it is time to get up and redeem the time. Let today be a day of return and restoration. What better day than a Monday to do that? God has already stirred the way. He's got it all prepared for you. Now you just got to walk in the path. You know what to do. Now do what you know. One step, one meal, one act of faith at a time. We got this, y'all. I will see you tomorrow.